Health officials issued a heat warning, not only because of the high temperatures we experienced today, but also because of the temperatures we will experience overnight. Continuing our team coverage, Liza Danver is live in Moraine to explain why officials are worried about what can happen to your health when the sun goes down.
And take a look at this thermometer right now, mid-80s here in Moraine. And of course, that would be normal if it was, around 1 p.m. in the afternoon, but it's 11 at night, mid-80s here in Moraine. Now, the public health heat warning mobilizes government entities to activate their heat plan. Now, what does that mean? It means that governments open cooling centers like the one that was here at Payne Recreation Center in Moraine earlier today. They're actually all across the Dayton area, these cooling centers. This heat warning is expected to last for the next 9 to 10 days, even though we will see temperatures dip below 3 digits. Now, I should say this is a public health heat warning, which is different than a National Weather Service heat warning. Health officials say daytime temperatures in the 90s aren't necessarily the problem. It's the overnight lows not being low enough. They're only expected to drop to the high 70s. Now, that means for people without air conditioning, it's just not going to get cool enough to lower their core body temperature. And this can put a lot of physical and mental stress on the body. Health officials say it's important for everyone, but especially folks without AC, to stay fully hydrated and keep out of the sun if possible.
Do a lot of common sense things and be aware that it is dangerous out in the sun during the day, and it can be dangerous at night in your home. So, try to stay as cool as you can wherever you are.
And so if you don't have AC, health officials recommend coming to a cooling center kind of like this, and then at least for a couple hours in the heat of the day to try to drop that core body temperature. And then, of course, when you go home at night, be sure to have some fans going and keep the windows open. Live in Moraine, Liza Danver, ABC 22 News.
Dayton has opened up a number of cooling centers to the public. This is one of the cooling centers, the Greater Dayton Recreation Center on West 3rd. Also, Dayton has opened the Rec Center on Glen Arm Avenue. To find a list of cooling centers in other communities, go to our website, Dayton'sNewsSource.com.